Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss how we convert our PDF file to the Word file. It's a very simple step. We just need to click on one single click. We can easily convert this. But in this video I am going to show you two different steps. You can use any one you want. So simply first of all, here I have the PDF file. I need to convert this to the Word file. Simply click on this PDF file and here we have an option open with. In the open with we have a different option. Here we have option of open with Word file. Click on this Word file, click OK. Just wait for some second. My word is maybe slow, so just wait for a second. So by this simple step you can easily open your PDF file in the Word document, and it is easily opened. Here you can see our document is opened here. So another step is you just need to go to the Google Chrome, and here is the I love PDF. Click on this, click on the first link, and after that we have an option of PDF to the Word. We need to find that PDF to Word. Yeah, here we have a PDF to Word. Click on the select image. Now we need to go to our PDF file. This is my PDF file. I simply need to convert this. Click on here and just convert this. We just need to wait for 1 to 2 seconds and it can convert it. So it will auto download it. Just wait for a second. Yeah, it's downloaded. Just a second for this. We just need to wait for some times to download. Yeah, here we need to go to download the PDF Word file. Here it's our Word file. So this is my another format, and it is also converted from PDF to Word file. So by using these simple steps, you can easily convert your PDF file to the Word file. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take